Tired of annoying ads popping up everywhere while you browse? In this video, we'll show you how to surf the web ad-free and even score cash rewards for the ads you actually want to see. Sounds too good to be true? Join us as we explore easy tricks to make your online experience more enjoyable and rewarding. So, kick back, relax, and let's dive into a smarter way to browse the internet. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Block ads and earn some cash. Meet Pie Adblock, your new best friend for a clean, ad-free browsing experience. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to faster page loads. Plus, if you ever feel like making a few bucks, you can choose to watch targeted ads and earn cash while doing it. It's a cool browser extension that blocks unwanted ads while letting you make money from the ones you approve. It works only on Google Chrome and gives you 2 ways to earn. Imagine scrolling through your favorite sites without the clutter. No more pop-ups or autoplay videos ruining your day. With Pie Adblock, you get to choose when to earn, because who doesn't love a little extra cash for just being online? It's available everywhere and mixes ad blocking with a chance to earn some cash, making it a cool option for anyone looking to make money while they browse. Turn on rewards for ads and start earning. By enabling this feature, you can get cash back just by watching a few Pie-approved ads. It's an easy way to make some extra money while checking out some cool stuff. Instant rewards. Get paid every time you click. Start earning rewards right away with Pie and our awesome partners. Fair ads. Get paid every time someone views your ad. It's like the classic ads, but with a twist, you're earning cash from Pie and its partners. With Pie Adblock, you can earn points through various opportunities. Once you've racked up enough points, just convert them into cash and transfer the money straight to your PayPal account. Easy peasy. Ready to enjoy the internet without interruptions? Download Pie Adblock today and take control of your browsing experience. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.